Today we are going to make a private FM radio station from Raspberry Pi. First of all, we have to open the VNC viewer and log into our Raspberry Pi. First of all, we have to open the terminal of Raspberry Pi and we have to now we have to clone the code from GitHub. This is the code to be cloned from the GitHub. Once it is done, now we have to install the compiler. It's already installed in my Now we are inside the FM transmitter dictionary. It's all done. Let's clear this screen. Now we have few syntax on the radio. I have to include this frequency. I am using 100 megahertz. Include the path of the song that I want to broadcast in my radio. I am going to play this song. I will copy the path and paste it here, and once I enter, it will start broadcasting my song on the radio at 100 megahertz. After completing the software related steps, we have to put small jumper wire for the antenna, GPIO of Raspberry Pi. After this, let's plug in the RTL STR to listen to the radio that we are broadcasting, and let's run the STR Sharp software. If we control Z, it will start broadcasting.